Ayushmann Khurrana, Manish Paul, Prajakta Kohli, Abhish Matthew, Malishka Mendoza. These are the names that we are used to be listening over and over again. They aren't just celebrities, anchors or comedians, but they were all primarily radio jockeys. They have all charmed us with their voices and they still continue to do so in their respective fields. Isn't it fascinating that by the touch of a button, the room is full of joyful banters and melodies? That's what a radio station is and has been doing over the years. Initially, when the radio station was introduced back in 1930s, it was only a news source and gradually developed itself into spheres of cricket commentary, music, entertainment source and advertising. Radio has definitely been an integral part of our lives. Be it long hours of traffic or be it just another day of our life, switching on the radio adds life to our mundane life. But have you ever stopped to wonder what adds joy to the mundane life? It's a radio jockey. In simple words, they are the magicians behind those loudspeakers who amuse us with their funny antics, anecdotes and even playlists. If you are watching this video, it definitely means that at some point of your life, you might have been definitely fascinated by the work of a radio jockey and you too are wondering if that's your life calling. You might obviously wonder about the various benefits, the income, the skill sets and the various qualifications required to be a good radio jockey. But what if I tell you that you can still make it to the radio station without even having a proper college degree and just with some basic education? That's right. So make sure to watch this video till the end as we are going to be covering all these points in this particular video. So what exactly is a radio jockey? A radio jockey is a person who hosts shows for a particular radio station for a specific duration of time. He or she manages playlists, advertisements, entertains the listeners, and often indulges in conversation with them regarding the concerned topics. The RJs are usually given 3 to 4 hours of a fixed time every day to indulge with the audience. The show has got a specific theme just like a television show. It can be a talk show where the host solves the issues of the listeners of certain kind, a storytelling show where the host is narrating a story, a news bulletin of all the current events happening, a comedy show where the host mimics or does prank calls for entertainment. So what are the qualifications required? Now anyone with a basic knowledge of reading, writing and scripting can become an RJ with some other basic skill sets. You can enter this field with any stream but aspirants usually opt for the art stream. After you pass your 12th class, you should select an undergraduate program in mass communication, media studies or journalism to get into radio jockeying. But you can also enter this field without even having a college degree. There are a lot of RJ hunts happening across various campuses and events and they are always in search of a new face. That's how even I got my first internship with the radio industry. During and after your graduation, you should look to intern and develop your skill sets and to get an on-ground experience of the job. With such experience in your bag, you will be much faster to hit the mic. But the best route can be to pursue a postgraduate diploma in radio or video jockeying after your graduation from any field. These courses usually last for a maximum of 2 years and the names of some top institutions are on your screens. You can pause and read them if you want. Please note that radio jockeying is not a degree specific career. For example, RJ Naveed from Radio Mirchi. Initially, Naveed moved to Delhi in search of a job. He started working as a customer service executive for Airtel. Whenever customers were very angry about something, the phone used to be handed over to Naveed and Naveed used to talk to them in the voice of a 60-year-old man. And the customers used to automatically calm down. In the year 2000, Radio Mirchi organized a RJ hunt and Naveed recorded his voice and sent it to them. After a few rounds of the auditions, he came out as the winner of the hunt, beating almost 34,000 people, and he is today a big name of our industry. So as I said, radio jockeying is not about the high degrees that you have, but moreover, it's your skills that are going to take you forward in this particular industry. So what are the skills required to be a good RJ? Number 1, the ability to modulate your voice. Voice modulation is all about adding expressions to your voice. You should be aware of when your voice should be loud, when you have to stress on particular phrases. Nobody would prefer to hear a person speaking in a monotone for a longer period of time. So it is important that your voice is pleasing and engaging for the audience. Number 2, being up to date with the trends. It is very important for an RJ to read a lot of newspapers, articles, etc. You should be aware of all the current scenes happening and also about the latest trends as well as the latest movie releases, as people look up to them for all this information. Number 3, sense of humor and spontaneity. As a radio jockey, you will be live and there is nothing scripted as such. There might be situations when the things go unplanned, but you should be careful enough to handle it and witty enough to tackle it. Number 4, content writing skills. It can be very difficult for you to entertain your audience every single day. You should be able to create new content for your audience every single day so that you don't end up boring them. Number 5, your clarity of your speech and your pronunciation. As an RJ, you should not speak in a manner which is difficult to be understood or to be heard. At the same time, you don't want people to be mocking you or making fun of you for the wrong pronunciation. Number 6, being expressive and creative. There will always be chunks of information for the audience which will be very boring for them to perceive, but you should be able to express that in a creative way without boring them and to get through the listeners. Number 7, the X factor. Listeners have got a wide variety of radio channels to listen to, but to keep them to your listenership permanently, you should attach themselves to yourself using a certain style. For example, the Mirchi Murga show of RJ Naved is famous because of Naved's mastery over the skill of mimicking a wide variety of people. Once you are able to establish that permanent viewership, you get a lot of fan following and you become a local celebrity. You also get a lot of creative freedom in your job. You learn and experiment different ways of connecting with your people, and you get the great feeling of knowing that your work has got a great impact on the people. With every job comes its downside, so the disadvantages of being in this industry are as follows. Once you are on air, for the next 3-4 hours, you have to be completely focused. You cannot digress on anything else. You have to always keep your emotions aside in the studio, even if you had a bad day. Initially it takes you some time to adjust yourself to the studio, but once it does, you are gonna skyrocket. But the greatest disadvantage of being in this industry is the fact that people often limit themselves to the studio, and sometimes the life becomes a bit monotonous. But you should give yourself that opportunity to keep moving forward. An RJ can initially earn anything between 10,000 to 30,000 rupees initially, but as one becomes popular and gains experience, the salary can go up to over 2 lakhs per month. Moreover, as you get popular, you will definitely get a lot of other opportunities too, like hosting private shows, voiceovers for television ads, or even radio advertisements. These are the estimated revenues of some popular RJs. In the profession of radio, the opportunities are not just limited to radio jockeying only. In addition to hosting your own radio shows, you can also have alternate careers such as that of a producer, music manager, copy or script writer, creative engineer, sound manager, etc. And considering the current change in the work life, more opportunities are going to blow up in the upcoming years in the radio industry. So the final words from my side is this. Radio jockeying is a great career for those people who love talking, creating and expressing. So the main aim as a person who wants to become a radio jockey should be to improve your skills. Keep learning and keep evolving, and the day you stop learning is the day you stop growing. Majority of the Indian youth end up taking the wrong career choice, either because of peer pressure or because of family pressure. We often chase money and we simply waste or let go of our real skill set. Well, honestly speaking, I personally know of people who haven't went to school, but today they are making 10 times more money than a freshly graduate. And that became possible only because they made use of the available resources, and more importantly, they made use of their skill sets. As a career seeker, one needs to plan big and prepare himself for the bigger picture. Go one step at a time after gathering all the necessary information of your passion path. Research on various options that match your skill sets. Study the profiles of experts of that field. Every career path offers a generous way to climb a success ladder. All you need to do is to develop love, passion and expertise for it. And as rightly said by Conficus, choose a job that you love the most and you will never have to work even a single day in your life.